This video will show how Istoriam uses the level attribute with your timelines. By design, Istoriam will display the event records first, the notes record will be displayed above them, and finally the heading on top of both. When you are tracking multiple sets of records in your timeline, for example, the timeline of the US presidents in parallel to the one of the UK prime ministers, the two set of records could become intermingled. This might not be the way you want to view the records. It's preferable to have the US President records and the UK Prime Ministers grouped together. To achieve this, we will use the level attribute. For our example, let's consider three sets of records that we will refer to as blue records, red records, and green records. The screen shows a random number of records from each group. By default, all records have the same level value, and the records are displayed intermingled starting with the events at the bottom, then the notes, and finally the headings on top. Ideally, we would like them to be displayed this way. To display each set of records in a common set of rows, or swim lane, we are going to start by defining a specific level for each one. Under the Windows menu item, select the Level Management option. The window will display one level, which is the default level for all records. Each level is defined using two parameters, a name and a value. The level name and value have to be unique in a given timeline. The value of the default level is 25. To create a new level, click on the New button. In the window that will open, we will name the new level Red and give it the value 30. Note that Istoriam will draw the records in the ascending order of their level value. That is, the record with the smallest level value will be drawn first, followed by those with the next value, etc. We will repeat the level creation process and create a blue level with 40 as a value and a green level with 50 as a value. Now that all three levels are created, we need to change the level of each record to the appropriate value. For that, we edit each record, select the extra set of attributes, and then change the level field to the appropriate value. We repeat that process for all the records. The result will be shown on the screen now, with each set of records in its own swim lane. Because the red level value was the smallest at 30, those records are displayed first. The blue level value being smaller than the green level 1, the blue records are created second. And finally, the green records are displayed. You can set the level value to any value between 1 and 250. You can also edit the name and value of a level. You can also delete a level, in which case the records using that value will be set back to the default value, and finally you can merge two levels. If your timeline is dealing with one set of records, you can ignore the level attribute and leave all records with their default level value. However, if you want to split your records into different groups and display them that way, then the level attribute will help accomplish that.